Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to system.io. Let's get started. First, go to godaddy.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on this arrow at the top right corner to open this drop-down, where you will click on My Products. This will open a new page containing all your domains. Choose the domain you want to connect and click DNS at the far right. This will lead you to a new page where you can add new DNS records. But let's leave that for now and go to system.io and log in your account. In your dashboard, click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then click Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, in the settings, click on Custom Domains in the left panel, then click Add Domain at the top right. This pop-up will appear, but first go back to GoDaddy, then copy your domain name, which is usually this highlighted part here. Then go back to the pop-up again, type in www. Then paste your copied domain name and click Save down here. Next, system.io will give you DNS configurations for your domain. So copy this highlighted part, then go back to GoDaddy, where you will click on Add New Record. Start by putting in CNAME in the type field, the @icon for the name field, and paste your copied configuration in the value field, then click Save down here. Next, go back to system.io. Copy this highlighted part, go back to GoDaddy again, click on Add New Record, put in CNAME for the type, paste your copied configuration in the name field. Next, go back to system.io again, copy this highlighted part, go back to GoDaddy, paste your copied configuration in the value field, then click Save down here. And that is how you can connect GoDaddy to system.io. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.